height.
Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make? That's a special kind of frog, Boots. Listen. Koki!
Oh, that is a very funny one. Little fella, you see that? This is a special frog over here. Hey, fellas, there's a frog in there. You see that? It is just like the hell one. Oh, this is a good one. That's what you needed for you to help me.
Okay, now he's got it. Warming up again. He's getting ready. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Gesundheit.
Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make? That's a special kind of frog, Boots. Listen.
Oh, okay. Oh.
That's a funny frog.
Yeah, it sure was. Did you see that? Oh, that is a very funny one. Gesundheit.
Hey, Dora, what sound does the little frog make? That's a special kind of frog, Boots. Listen.
Okay. Oh, that was a very funny one. Oh. Oh, look at this. It's just a frog. Yeah, it sure was funny. It is a frog. It's calling to Koki. It looks just like his song. Oh. Oh. I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh. Ooh.
Look, it's a little frog. And he has a guitar.
Yes. It is a guitar.
Hey, Dora. He looks just like the picture of the Koki.
Yeah, hi, Koki. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Hey, Boots. I think he is a Koki. Maybe he'll sing for us. Sing, Koki, sing. Koki, Koki. Dora.
Huh? What?
I don't think he can sing.
Really? Oh, no.
Boots, it says in his book that Koki lives on a beautiful island.
Uh-oh.
If he leaves the island and is away from his family and friends, he gets sick and he can't sing. Koki, is that true?
Yeah.
Koki, Koki.
Oh. help you. Hey, little fella, we have to get used to... Oh. I get it. You know what? We have to take Koki home.
So he can sing.
Oh, that's a great idea. I'd love to. We have to take Koki home and win the big trophy. So that way he can sing.
Koki. Come on, let's go.
Hey, come back! Come back! Hey, honey.
Dora,
What?
we need to find out how to get to Koki's island.
I'll show you.